Jeff here. So I'm preparing one of these pheasant back mushrooms. The other one I'll keep in a Ziploc bag in the refrigerator. This will stay good for up to a week. It just depends on how young and tender the mushroom is. Yeah, so you want to get down in there like that. These are the spores right in here. This is the pheasant back pattern right in here. Looks like the tail of a pheasant. Aha. Okay, you can see what I did and what I've got and what I'm leaving. I'll be back on this on another video. Yeah, so follow along. Off to the kitchen. I actually decided to continue this outside because I'm going to be replacing the spores back on the tree. So on the bottom here, we're going to use a spoon and a knife, and we're going to carefully remove the inedible part. We want to get right down to the nice white flesh like this without wasting too much of it. The white flesh actually tastes similar to a firm portobello, and you're going to use the spoon as well as the knife to remove all of this material. And this is going back on the tree. There are millions of spores right in here, and I'm going to rub this all over the tree as well as some other logs and branches in the area to try to populate some more pheasant backs. These are quite tasty, and there's nothing wrong with getting a free meal from nature. Also, you're becoming part of the natural food chain. It's healthy. Could you go buy this in the store? Maybe. Would it be this fresh? Never. So there's a lot of reasons why you want to explore these natural alternatives. Looking good. This is all edible. I'll remove a little bit more, and I'll be using the knife sometimes too. Just want to get a little bit of this rubbery spores removed off of here. And you can even get a little bit more delicate